What's up, humans, and welcome to how to be an eco-friendly influencer in 2020. Instead of buying a single-use prop that you only use once, buy a reusable prop that you can use again and again.
Miss me with that.
And if you have a prop that really cannot be reused by you, then give it to someone else that can use it. Here you go. Good boy.
Nope.
You know all that merch that you're selling and the sponsored ads and everything like that? Consider donating some of your proceeds to a climate aid charity. Like we do. When you're batch producing and using different shirts or different clothing, instead of just tossing it straight into the laundry, hang it back up, fold it, and put it away. Because you know, as well as I do, that it's still actually clean. And when you're done editing or recording, turn off those devices. All right, that was the last tip for part 1. Tune in next time for another part. And yes, I am, due to an intense fear of getting a copyright strike for putting in the original clip that I wanted to put in here, I'm going to now recreate this clip that I wanted to put in here. I'm sexy and I know it. Wearing orange pants. It's almost my bedtime. See? If you like this video and this kind of content, then make sure to like and subscribe down below. Also, go check out aidourclimate.com. I have a couple articles up there that have to do with being eco-friendly in 2020. Really, the earth needs our help. We are going down a path of completely ruining the earth, and we really need to do something about it. Make sure to check out the link in the description for how you too can be eco-friendly down below. Thanks, guys. Save the earth.